think it's working again. Hey, what's up? My awful shirt. Yeah, so it's the Google Hangouts. So I don't know. I guess this might be coming to an end. I heard Google Hangouts is getting rid of this thing too. So if there's no Google Hangouts and I can't figure out how to broadcast a screen, then I guess this is the last of my YouTube career. It's over. Maybe I'll do a video from time to time, but I'd rather just show you charts, because the hell you want to look at me for? So here, check this out. I go to application, I could click on here, and then I share that. Now you're looking at what you should be looking at is the Tsla chart. And this is why trading, sometimes it could be easy, sometimes it's not easy. But for me, I do one trade a day. If I make money, a lot of times I'm done. So I don't know if you guys see this or not, but let me check it out. I think you see me. I want to go to the video manager also. Get the chat window going. So Tsla. No, that's from before. Let's see if I go to my homepage. See, when you go to the Google Hangouts, there's no chatting. Like the chat window disappears. Why? See, I have this testing. I don't know if you guys see that chat window, but I don't know. 6 months from now, I'm sure they'll build a different version of this, so maybe they'll get it all working together. Let's see if I go to my homepage.
Monday.com is a platform to manage any team and any project. Marketing campaigns, classic project management, sales pipelines, creative production.
Hey, what's up? I'm just testing something out right now, but aha, there it is.
I'm creating my Wix site.
Are you?
You think you already have a stunning website? That's cool. You're welcome to skip or create your site now.
There it is.
I'm creating my Wix site.
Are you?
You think you already have a stunning website? That's cool. You're welcome to skip.
All right. Well, here, check it out, y'all. We're live, finally. Here's your Tsla gapping up. You know, stock had a pretty sweet move off those disasters that it was having. By the way, if you were watching Tsla, which I know all of you were, here, check it out. This is a 10-year chart of Tsla. So this is your 10-year chart, right? We were just looking for some areas of support. Look how it got back to 2-year support, 3-year support, bounced off basically the same area. But here's the part that I like the best is that where did it bounce to? It bounced to this area, which was the 10-year VWAP. So once again, proving that these long-term VWAPs are coming into play more often and more often and more often and more often. And I'm going to continue to use it until this stuff stops working. But then go on a smaller scale. This is your 1 minute and your 1 day VWAP, right? So the idea is you're looking for gaps that fade Tesla was gapped up again. Broke the VWAP pre-market. Already starting to feel some negative overtones. Sells off immediately, but then tries to recapture that VWAP and then rolls back over, and that's where we short. Once it fails to hold the VWAP, breaks the range from where it bounced last time, we're shorting here, basically using the breakdown price. So if you're shorting here at 219 and a quarter, and you're looking at this breakdown price kind of from where? 121, or sorry, 221. That's your average risk in this trade. So, and some guys just go back to where the VWAP is and just use that as the stop. That's another way to play it. I like to be a little bit, ahead of that. But then you got the roll. Here's your multi-day VWAP where it kind of put up a fight for a moment. Couldn't still get back above the breakdown price. And then the coveted reversal. So 1 minute through the multi-day, and then goes red. There's the money that we made from here to here. And then it bounced. Couldn't get back over that multi-day. Here's the second opportunity. When it rolls again, not able to get back over that near-term VWAP. Right there, the dotted orange one. There's your new short. And another 5-point trade. Wish I could have told you I was involved, but I wasn't. But some of our guys were. And that's my job, as long as they're focused on what we're doing. And then Beyond Meat, got smacked down yesterday, looking to buy it today. Give me a reason to buy it. I'll give you a reason to buy it. How about breaking over the VWAP in the pre-market, showing some strength. Didn't play this move, but here's your opening candle. But it was this second candle down, which didn't break the VWAP, and then it turned back above the multi, broke right there. I'm a buyer at 137.10, looking for the next big whole number, which was 140, sold it at 139. And, while it was getting there, 139, 85, 91. And that was that trade. So it was Tesla and Beyond, and that's one more day where I don't have to get a real job. And that is really the way we trade. That's our 10-year VWAP. That is something, again, hey, do you guys see the charts, or are they really blurry? I'm seeing them really blurry on the other, on your end. Is that the way it looks? That's terrible. What the? Why is this coming out so badly? Do you guys see the chart? Is it blurry? Actually, is anybody here? Taz is here. What up, man? You guys... It's so weird. I hate the internet. All right, hang on. Let me see if this works. It's clear for you. I'm going to refresh it on my end too. Be right back. Oh, actually, I could still do this here. Actually, my whole screen is blurry. That's so weird. Oh, the chart looks better now. Yeah, the grayed out area, the gray area is going to be blurry because it just doesn't pop off the screen. But you're seeing Beyond Meat's chart now, right? You see how it got back to the VWAP? And listen, I know there's only 7 or 8 of you guys listening in, but I'm going to be offering a couple of deals lately if you guys want to take this stuff serious. So come to the room. I'll talk more about it. Because I want to put some money into some accounts and just have you guys stomping on buttons, and I'll just talk. Because then I'm just I'll be the trade alert guy. You guys do the trade. Everybody's happy. You get paid for pressing a few buttons and learning while you're doing it. I don't have to press the buttons myself. I could just keep looking for new ideas. And then we have a good 2 or 3 hours, and then we all go home or shut the computer off. Anyway, it's blurry again. This is so bizarre. Let me see if I go full screen. No. I wonder why it's that blurry. Yeah, it looks good on your end. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I have too many windows open. No. Anyway, here's the only other trade we did. It was coming off this play. Taz remembers this trade, right? Stocks, whatever they do in the pre-market often get mimicked in the regular market. Look in the pre-market. The pre-market low is $40, right? So once this thing got below the VWAP, where did it get to? Went right back to $40. And that's when I said, you know what? Now that it's back to $40, let's buy it and use, as soon as it came off 40, you're buying it here at 40.15. If it breaks 40, you're out. And your goal is to get it back to the nearest VWAP. So you're risking 15 cents to possibly make $1.15. Why not take the shot? I wonder if I shrink it down, if it helps at all. Not really. And that's it. So I'll leave you with this. Yext. I want to say this a million times, so when it gets taken over, you'll say you heard me say it. The stock's getting taken over at $32 a share. And the last couple of earnings reports, it's sold off into each of them, and then it's come back. There's your last sell-off, and here's the comeback. So this is definitely not an earnings play. This is, an investment at this point. But there were some options traded on it finally. I hadn't seen any decent size in the Yext options for a long time. Somebody likes it out there. All right, if you want a better picture and more in-depth analysis of any of this stuff, join us on the website. All right, you guys know where to find me. And again, if you want to come in for the next 10 days or so, hitthebid.com, passwords wake up, all lowercase, one word. You got 8 days. I'm changing it on the 21st or whatever day. All right, good luck. I'll see you in cyberspace. And if anybody wants a job, I'm looking for some personal assistants and hardcore salesmen, if you're into that stuff. Take care, y'all. Wait, let's see if this works. Now I should be able to, I'm curious to see if it goes back to my face. Is my face blurry too? See that? My face is blurry too. Another reason why I hate the stock market. The internet. I'm telling you, it's broken. All right. Cash is king. I'll see you guys in the room. Latris. See ya.